Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, we will be unboxing the new wireless earpiece or Inpods that I bought from Lazada. I bought this at SM Official Flagship Store in Lazada for 299 pesos plus 42 pesos na shipping fee. Ayan guys, meron siyang kasamang receipt. Very good SM. Ayan na siya! Tada! Very good yung kanyang packaging kasi binalot nila ng bubble wrap ng mabuti para hindi ma-deform or masira yung kanyang box. Ayan guys, yung brand niya is AXCX and meron pa yung balot na plastic which is good para hindi siya mabasa upon shipping. At the back of the box, makikita yung mga information about the product. First, yung SM store which is kung saan ko siya nabili, and then yung price niya is 299 pesos. And model, Inpods 12. Version is 5.0. Bluetooth version 5.0. Talking time niya is 2 to 3 hours. And ang kanyang charging time naman 40 minutes. This is a perfect gift guys ngayong Christmas sa inyong mga techie friends, sons, daughters, classmates, and etc. Sa side naman, makikita yung mga logo, rechargeable, for calls, for music, for microphone, and Bluetooth. Now, let's open the box.
Hey friends, join button is up. Just click it to join the Team Jentle and get exclusive membership perks. Thank you. And now back to the video.
And ayan na siya guys. Color gray siya and super cute. There, meron siyang kasamang USB charging cable. course, meron din siyang kasamang manual, which is a good thing kasi hindi ko siya alam kung paano gamitin. Ayan siya guys, maliit lang siya, kasyang-kasya siya sa bag, sa pocket, everywhere. Ayan yung kanyang charging port, and kapag charge mo siya guys, iilaw yan. Ayan guys, paglaruan ko muna saglit ha. Aralin nating mabuti ang instruction manual guys, para hindi tayo magkamali sa ating mga pinaggagawa. Ayan, meron pala siyang iba't ibang color guys. Meron siyang blue, yellow, peach, mint green, black, navy blue, gray, and white. Ayan guys, sabi sa instructions, to pause or play, or when you answer a call and when you hang up, touch the left ear once. Touch 2 times pag sa next song, and touch 3 times to decrease the volume. Short press for Siri. O diba, bongga? Sa right ear naman, to pause or play or answer a call and hang up, touch once. Touch 2 times for the last one. Touch 3 times to increase the volume, and short press for Siri. Charot-charot ko lang yan guys. Ayan, pinatry ko siya kay DJ guys, and in fairness, gumagana siya and maganda yung kanyang audio quality. So, there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and review, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on my next videos. But before I end this video, I just want to welcome the new members of Team Jentle, Norris Fashion Vlogs, and Connie Kitchen. Thank you for joining the team!